welcome back to my channel. This is Nurse Marmski. How are you doing today, guys? I hope you're having a lovely day. So in today's video, this is just a continuation of my video from last week, just to show you what I've done on my days off. So I've been to the gym and I went to go in a shop to have shopping spree, and it's time to do my unboxing. Yay! If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell button notification so you will be updated every time I post a new video. Disclaimer, guys, this video is not to brag or to show off like what I have or what I can do. It's just to show you guys what I am doing on my days off. And working as a nurse for such a very long time can be exhausting sometimes. I have good and bad night shifts. So regular night shifts, I am one of them. So sometimes we also have to treat ourselves. So shopping is one of them. One of the activities that I like. I don't do it that often, of course, because it is expensive. So I just do it once in a while. I go to the gym, I go for a walk, I go for a massage therapy, and this time it's retail therapy, guys. And it's time to do my unboxing. Are you excited? I am. So here it is, guys. I went to Harbour Town. It's like an outlet center here in Adelaide. I don't go there that often. I only go there like once or twice a year. And my first stop was went to Tommy, and I bought shoes. And I'm gonna show you what I bought there. Ta-da! Here it is. Shoes, it is. So the last time I went to Tommy, I bought a white shoes, and when my daughter saw it, and she said it fits in her, so it's all hers now. So I bought this one. It was in my last video. It's pink color, and it's size 8. So yes, guys, it's I don't have a pink color shoes like this. I have a white one, but as what I said, it's already with my daughter now. So I bought a pink one. So pair of shoes for Nurse Marmski, not too bad. That's it. And another shoes, I went to Puma. So they're running on specials, and they are like less than $50. And here it is. Ta-da! A gray and a pink with black color in it. It's pretty nice and will be perfect for the gym. What do you think, guys? I think it is perfect for my gym. So another pair of shoes from Puma. Next is this. Calvin Klein. I went there to buy a jumper because we're going on our trip. Every school holidays we go for our road trip to get away from the hustle and bustle of life. So me and hubby are both nurses, and we just need to have some break with the family and the kids. And what I got here is a jumper from Calvin Klein. Ta-da! So it's a pink jumper. It's I actually bought this in kids section, and that's my secret. I go to the kids section and I just choose size 14 or 16, and this one is size 16, guys. So getting ready for our trip. I know a few months from now it will gonna be with my daughter already. And I also bought, it's not from Calvin Klein, but I also bought this how do you call it? A gym track pants. Gym track pants. So when I go to the gym, since it's winter here, I put my jeggings on, and then I put this on top, so I will be more warm. Yes. And it's from Cotton On. It's not sponsored, but this is where I bought this. Okay, so we're gonna go to the last one. I also went to Fila to buy some clothes for myself. And this is what I bought there. It's a kid's pants. Yes, kids pants fits on me, guys. So this is size 16 as well, and it's on special. They're running winter special, so this is like 50% off. It's 25 bucks for this. And since it's winter, it will keep me warm. And this got a pair jumpers too, and it is a crop top. I know, right? So it's a crop top. It's just simple, and it's also size 16, and it's 50% off as well, so it is $20. Not too bad. So a pair of these one cost me $45, and that's affordable. And of course, I also bought something for the kids to keep them warm on our trip. So here it is, guys. I also bought a Fila jumper for Stan, also in the kids section, of course, and it is size 10, a dark blue jumper for Stan. And last but not the least is for my darling Svetlana. So she's got a black one, guys, and it's size 12. So yes, that's all I bought from my shopping spree. As what I said earlier, we have to treat ourselves, and we just don't work. We also have to enjoy life, because life is too short, and enjoy it while we can. So yes, that's shopping for me. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like on me. So this is Calvin Klein. It's perfect, size 16 in the kids section, and I'm ready for winter. And this is the Fila crop top. Ta-da! I got my pants here too. So it's pair. Fila. So this is the gym track pants. So this is size 12, and this jumper is for my daughter Svetlana, and as you can see, it also fits perfectly on me. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I go shopping on the kids section, because it can fit on me and also my daughter. But this is her. I just tried it on. I just want to show you that it also fits on me, because I bought jumper last time and it was size 12 and it fits on me, and when she saw it she said it fits perfectly on her as well, so it's hers now. So I better buy something for her and not to get clothes from me. So yes, this is a jumper size 12 for my beautiful girl Svetlana. Isn't it lovely to buy something for yourself to make you feel better, and because you work so hard, and you also have to enjoy what's the fruit of your labor. So yes, as what I'm saying, it's not to brag you, like showing off or something. It's just something that I really enjoy doing on my days off. So I treat myself for a massage, I treat myself for a facial, for a hair care, for a facial therapy, and shopping. So yes, I do really want to give myself a break sometime from just working. Like this night shift can be draining and exhausting at times as well. So I have been working as a nurse for quite a long time now, 19 years and counting to be exact. And I know how it feels to be drained and all those things. And you just need to go out, enjoy life, have a cup of tea or coffee with your friends, and spend time, quality time with the people that matters to us, our family. So I hope you guys will like my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that bell button notification so you will be updated every time I post a new video. This is Nurse Marski. Thank you.